all the ways you wish you could be. That's me. This is a line from a movie, Fight Club. आपने कभी ना कभी तो अपनी ज़िंदगी में इस मूवी का नाम सुना होगा, फाइट क्लब और टाइलर डर्डन का. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू टाइलर डर्डन.
You can fight any celebrity.
Tyler Durden is the main character of this movie.
Doesn't matter. Who'd be tough?
And
Hemingway.
let me be cleared,
You?
without wasting your time,
I'd fight William.
this movie is not just a movie,
We all
it's a
started
reminder,
seeing things.
it's a recall to you. It's some kind of heavenly material. It's not just a movie. And let me tell you, this movie has just made me something else. It has driven me from what I was, from what I am. So let us talk about some philosophies of Tyler Durden without wasting your time. Let's begin. There's a line in this movie. If you have lost everything, you are willing to do anything. What this line means कि आप जब सब चीज़ खो दो, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. It's like something like that only. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है. It's deep. आप ये नहीं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप अपने पेरेंट्स खो दो, अपने क्या बोलते हैं जिससे आप बहुत प्यार करते हो उसको खो दो. It's like some kind of sarcastic thing. मैं बताऊं आप क्या खो दो. It meant like आप अपना बिलीफ खो दो, आप अपनी पर्सनैलिटी खो दो. You just be what you want to be, but what's stopping you is what you are now. That its meaning for me. आप जितना अपने आप को, एक बिलीफ सिस्टम होता है फॉर मी जो मैं मानता हूँ. लेट मी टॉक अबाउट इट. इन विच वट एवर गॉड यू बिलीव. एक रिलीजन में है ना. आई विल नॉट talk about in deep because it will make the video too much long, but let me talk in like and summary. Religion में, in every religion it's like in matrix. Religion design कुछ ऐसा किया गया है to make you live in a fantasy. Sometimes they say like the religious people, money is not everything. It's like an moh maya. No man, they're lying. They also want you to live in a fantasy, and world full of fantasy, full of losers. You got my point? Like believing in religion is good, believing in God is good, but believing in God blindlessly is not good, man. It will destroy you. Okay, second thing about the personality stuff. अगर आपको आगे बढ़ना है, you know who is stopping you. It's you, man. Let us suppose you are trapped with gluttony. It's insane. Gluttony means like eating something in a very large amount. Like if you are fat boy, you love to eat. It's like gluttony, like that stuff. So आपको खाने की बहुत गंदी आदत है. आप जब भी कुछ मीठा स्वीट्स कुछ भी देखते हो जंक, यू जस्ट ग्रैब इट एंड ईट इट. आप सोचते नहीं हो व्हाट इज. और आपने पिछली बार कहा था कि यू विल नॉट ईट इट. व्हाट इज स्टॉपिंग यू, मैन? इट्स यू, इनसाइड यू. स्टॉपिंग यू. बिल्ड एंड कोर. आपकी अंतरात्मा आपसे उस समय कहती है खा जा भाई, कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. पर आपका दिमाग स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. पर आपका दिमाग बहुत वीक है. You have to build your mind to capture your spirit. I know this feels like it sucks, but this is the reality. You have to build your intel core, your mind, which is the processor, to capture over your spirit, to capture over your urges. Okay, this is the first philosophy of Tyler Durden. Second stuff is like something about pain he has said in the movie, like in which he throws some kind of chemical over the another main character, like who was literally Tyler Durden, who has some kind of schizophrenia.
Guided
So
meditation
that's
with
why you
cancer
see
could work for
reflection of
this.
another man, but that's
Stay
not
with the
same.
pain. Don't shut this out.
So they throw some kind of chemical over the hand to
The first
make
soap was made from the
them
ashes
feel
of heroes,
pain.
like the first monkey shot into space.
So
Without
what
pain,
does
without sacrifice,
pain
you would have
endurance
nothing.
mean?
I tried not to think of the word
If you
serious.
just fear pain without doing anything,
This is your burning.
you will fucked up, man. You will be fucked. आपको you don't have to run from pain. Pain is temporary, man. You have to suffer through pain if you wanna achieve anything. Don't be that shit, man. Don't be a coward. That what is mean. Suffer through pain. Don't run through pain. Because पेन कभी नहीं जाएगा. आपने उसको लगेगा उस टाइम के लिए आपने एस्केप कर दिया है पेन को, बट इट विल कम इन द फ्यूचर. You have to go through that pain. You have to go through that path only. So that's what I want to say in this video, because ये वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. I will make some kind of part 2 on anything. So be what you want to be. Just run away from the matrix. That's what Tyler Durden is.